Hello everyone. Have you ever wanted to make your React app super easy to navigate? Today we'll learn how to configure navigation so you can switch between different pages in your app with just one click. First, let's see how our app works. Let's see how we can easily move between the home page and the contact page using links. It's all thanks to our routing configuration. In this tutorial, we'll start by setting up routes using the component method and then explore how to do that using JavaScript. Both methods will help you create smooth navigation in your React projects. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First, install React Router DOM by running the following command in your terminal: npm install React Router DOM. This will add React Router DOM to your project, enabling us to manage navigation between different pages. Next, import browser router as router, routes, and route from React Router DOM, which are crucial for setting up our routing. Browse router aliased as router manages the browser history and routing. Routes acts as a container for our route definitions, and route defines the mapping between a URL path and a React component. Additionally, we import the contact and home components. Next, we use router to wrap our routing configuration, taking care of the history and location within our app. Inside the router, the routes component holds all our route definitions, ensuring only one route matches the current URL and renders the correct component. Within routes, we define our routes using route components. For the route path, we render the home component. And for the path contact, we render the contact component. And that's it for component-based routing. Using browser router, routes, and routes, we were able to successfully configure navigation in our React app, allowing users to seamlessly transition between the home page and the contact page. Now let's move on to the JavaScript-based routing method. We start by importing create browser router and router provider from React Router DOM. Next, we create a configuration array for our routes, where each route is defined as an object with path and element properties. Path specifies the URL and element specifies the element to display. Finally, we wrap our application with a router provider component, passing it the route configuration table. This method allows us to manage routing through a JavaScript object, providing a different way to configure and orchestrate routes than the component-based approach. Now, let's show how our routing configuration works. By navigating between the home page and contact page using links, you will see the pages change easily. This confirms that our routing setup with React Router DOM is working. However, you will also notice a problem every time we navigate. The page is refreshed, causing us to lose the state, just like dark mode settings. This happens because we use basic anchor tags for navigation, reloading the entire page. In the next part of this tutorial, I'll show you how to navigate without refreshing the page so that our state remains the same. Stay tuned. Let's open our header component and update it to use the link component from React Router DOM instead of normal anchor tags. First, we need to import the link component from React Router DOM. Then, we replace the normal anchor tags with link components. This update will help us navigate between pages without refreshing the page, ensuring our state remains intact. Now, let's see this in action. As we navigate between the home and contact pages using the link components, you'll notice that the state responsible for dark mode remains unchanged. Unlike before, the page does not refresh with each navigation, allowing our state to persist. This is a powerful feature of using link from React Router DOM, providing a smoother user experience without losing important state information. And that's it. We've covered two methods for setting up routing in React using React Router DOM version 6 and ensured smooth navigation with the link component. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.